Hey there! Welcome back to our channel, where we talk about all things health and wellness. Today's video is all about natural ways to lose belly fat. Belly fat is not just a cosmetic concern, it's also linked to various health issues such as heart disease, diabetes, and high blood pressure. That's why it's important to keep your waistline in check. Here are some natural ways to lose belly fat. 1. Eat a healthy diet. Your diet plays a crucial role in losing belly fat. Include more whole foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains in your meals. Avoid processed foods, sugary drinks, and high-fat foods. 2. Exercise regularly. Exercise not only helps you lose weight but also improves your overall health. Incorporate cardio exercises like running, cycling, or swimming in your routine to burn belly fat. Strength training exercises like squats, lunges, and planks can also help tone your abdominal muscles. 3. Drink green tea. Green tea is known for its fat-burning properties. It contains antioxidants and caffeine that can boost your metabolism and help you burn belly fat. Before we go further, if you have tried belly exercises and other belly reduction remedies but no change, then you need to try these ancient slim tea recipes. That will help you burn belly fat in 28 days, without making you into a gym rat. Some of these recipes are more than 100 years old. Link in the description below. Back to our video. 4. Manage stress. Stress can lead to the accumulation of belly fat. Find ways to manage stress, like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises. 5. Get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can affect your metabolism and increase your appetite, leading to weight gain. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night to help your body burn fat. 6. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water can help flush out toxins and reduce bloating, making your belly appear flatter. 7. Limit alcohol consumption. Alcohol is high in calories and can lead to the accumulation of belly fat. Limit your alcohol consumption to avoid weight gain. Those are some natural ways to lose belly fat. Remember, losing belly fat takes time and consistency. Stay patient and committed to your healthy habits, and you'll see results in no time. Fast-track your belly fat reduction by clicking on the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips.